Hello everybody, today in front of me I have TCL 30 SE smartphone, and let me show how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So first of all, swipe down in order for the notification and control panel to appear. Tap and hold at the Wi-Fi in order for you to go to the Wi-Fi settings. Here choose the network that you would like to share the password of. In my case it's going to be the HardReset.Info Wi-Fi network. Here tap on this share icon. And as you will see, it will show the Wi-Fi password right below the QR code. And you can take the device that you want to connect to this network. In my case, it's going to be the Android Nokia smartphone. And scan this QR code as well. So I'll open up the smartphone camera, go for the Google Lens, frame the QR code, tap on it. And as you will see, this Join Network button will appear. And right now, our phone is being successfully connected to the HardReset_Info network. So, great success. Alright, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!